Hi guys, welcome in my biology class. Now, we will study about human digestive system. What does the digestive system do? The digestive system digests the food we eat. Let's take a journey of digestive system. Digestive system organs. The digestive system organ can be divided into two. The first one is the tract or the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. And the second one is the extra organ. It helps the work of alimentary canal. Consists of liver and pancreas. Mouth. Mouth consists of the teeth. The teeth chew and tear the food into small bites of pieces. The second one is saliva. Salivary glands produce saliva. Contains amylase that have functions to digest starches become maltose. Let's check video about food digestion in mouth. Food in the mouth mixed with saliva. Saliva will digest carbohydrates, become maltose, and the teeth grin and cut food. Esophagus. The esophagus is the tube that carries food, liquids, and saliva from your mouth to the stomach. In the esophagus, peristaltic waves begin at the upper portion of the tube and travel the whole length, pushing food ahead of the wave into the stomach. Let's check the video about peristaltic wave in the esophagus. Food from the pharynx go to esophagus. Food moves down esophagus by peristalsis. Peristalsis is a process of contraction and relaxation of the muscle around esophagus. Stomach. The main function of the stomach is to process and transport food. After feeding, the contraction activity of the stomach help to mix and grind the food. Part of stomach. Stomach consists of the stomach, rugae, esophageal sphincter, and pyloric sphincter. The enzymes that are secreted in the stomach are gastric enzymes. The following are enzymes produced by the stomach and their respective function. Number 1. Pepsin enzyme. The pepsin enzyme break down protein become peptone. Number 2. Renin enzyme. Renin enzyme break down protein become casein or milk protein and precipitate milk casein. The third is gastric lipase enzyme. The function to break down fat become fatty acid and glycerol. Number 4 is hydrochloric acid. The function is to kill bacteria or germs which enter by food and to activate pepsinogen become pepsin. Small intestine. The small intestine works with other organs of the digestive system to further digest food after it leaves the stomach and to absorb nutrients. The entire digestive system works together to turn the food you eat into energy. Part of small intestine. Small intestine can be divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The duodenum is the first section of the small intestine and is the shortest part of the small intestine. It is where most chemical digestion using enzymes take place. Jejunum. The jejunum is the middle section of the small intestine. Ileum. The ileum is the final section of the small intestine. The ileum has an extremely large surface area both for the absorption of enzyme molecules and for the absorption of product of digestion. The wall of ileum is made up fold, each of which has many tiny finger-like projections known as villi on its surface. The wall in the ileum consists of villi. The structure of villi are lacteal and capillary. Its function to absorb nutrients and transfer to our blood of our body. Digestion in small intestine helped by three kinds of enzymes: the pancreatic enzyme, intestinal enzymes, and bile from the liver. The pancreatic enzyme consists of three enzymes: proteases or trypsin. Proteases or trypsin break down proteins, become peptides and amino acids. Lipases. Lipases break down fat emulsified by bile into fatty acid and glycerol. Amylase. The amylase break down starch into maltose. Intestinal enzymes. The intestinal enzymes consist of four enzymes. The first one is peptidase. The peptidase break down peptides, become amino acids. The second is sucrase. The sucrase break down sucrose or sugar into glucose and fructose. The third one is lactase. The lactase break down lactose or milk sugar into glucose and galactose. The fourth one is maltase. Maltase break down maltose, become glucose. Bile from the liver consists of bile salt. The bile salts break down fat globules, become fat droplets. Large intestine or colon. The function of the large intestine is to get rid of food left over after the nutrients are removed from it, bacteria and other waste. Part of large intestine or colon can be divided into three: the ascending colon, the transfer colon, and descending colon. Rectum and anus. The rectum is the where feces are stored until they leave the digestive system through the anus. The anus is the opening at the far and the digestive tract through which feces leaves the body. This video created by. Thanks for watching. Don't forget